What is typically English? Afternoon tea. And look what's waiting for me in suite 319 back at Brown's Hotel in London. Full afternoon tea, 3 levels, and the butler's coming back in half an hour to serve it for me. And William Edwards china and this beautiful cake fork. Look at the shape of it. I've got a timer for the tea, but that will all be explained. Now, there are many things that I love here. I love the shape of the trolley. It's kind of angled. But let's go round and look at the rest of the suite, and then we'll come back here. They remember how I like my pillow. Good. There are Kleenex in the bedroom as well as in the bathroom. I've got a copy of William Shawcross's book on Queen Elizabeth. Now, William Shawcross, now Lord Shawcross, is married to Olga Polizzi, who is the design director of Roccoforte Hotels. She, Olga Polizzi, is Roccoforte's sister, and it's really a family affair. And they're stressing the family side of this company. Oh, I like this. This is like a little desk. It's probably a makeup area, but it's going to be super as a desk. I'm not going to open the closets. I love the handles of them. Going to have to remember there's a step up into the bathroom. Big shower. Heated towel rail. And the fabulous Irene Forte toiletries. Yippee! I'm going to be at home here for 2 nights. Soul music playing. I better unpack quickly, I think, before my tea presentation. And now I'm back in the salon. I've got other books, like Maxime Old, magazines, fruit, flowers, lovely old mirror. And this is a real Olga Polizzi special, a wooden hat mold. I'm looking out at Albemarle Street. Tiffany's right opposite. That's always a good sign. And I mentioned that I have afternoon tea, and I have all these glorious books. They obviously don't think that I've got anything else to do. But never mind, with P.G. Wodehouse, it means I've got something to read in bed tonight. Lots of sockets there, including American sockets and European sockets. Why doesn't everybody do that? And look what I've got here. My own gin and tonic station. Well, it's room service for me tonight with Fever Tree here in Brown's Hotel, London.